live. We are
al fresco.
We are al frescoing, which is now a verb. The sizzling with sass because we are going to make a bacon explosion.
Bacon.
And I know my brother, he's driving a truck this weekend, and if he's watching, his mind is already exploding, going, "You're working with bacon, an explosion, and I'm not part of it." No, that's right. So, anyway, we've never made this before, just full disclosure, until today, and I just seen pictures of it and thought someday we need to try this. So, anyway, so to make this bacon explosion, just so the neighbors going by, oh my God, there's like 4 of them. It's crazy. 4 like side by sides and things like that. Anyway, just put a little bit of oil down on the bottom here first, and just so it doesn't stick. This is like those Pillsbury biscuits, and so one biscuit will make 2 of these hors d'oeuvres. Hi neighbors. This is redneck version today, I guess. It's all the mini bikes and 4-wheelers going by today. So
you're basically just flattening out the biscuit?
Yeah, flattening it out because I want to get 2 of these out of 1. So let's go into my my secret. Once upon a time, I was a pizza maker apparently. So just go stretching it out because it keeps bouncing back. So, all right, excellent. Now let's take. This is just garlic butter, just softened butter, charged with a boatload of garlic. So we use 3 cloves of garlic, finely chopped into, I don't know, like half a stick of butter type thing. Let's cut that in half. Then what makes it super delicious is we have the cheese. Oh, mozzarella cheese. Actually, those are a little big. Let's go for these guys here. That's a little more manageable. Okay. So now, okay, let's stick this through. All right. We're also going to wrap this in bacon. But these are really big. So we're going to cut it in half. And we're going to get this all ready. And then when we have this all wrapped up, it's going to go onto the deep fryer and deep fry for like 1 to 2 minutes. All right, so take said biscuit, wrap it up. Oh, I think I was born to, I don't know. Oh, and by the way, we're going to pair this with wine. It's kind of the start of the show. Okay, so what I did for the last ones, and you'll see the first attempts and the second attempts. So if that's where all my seams are, I'm starting off on the opposite side there, wrapping it around.
Okay.
And then with the other piece of bacon, I'm going to, wait a minute, right, I'm going to start this way and go 90 degrees to it. Comme ça.
Yep.
All right. Then I'm going to take the spear and try and spear through all those layers so it all goes together. Oh, this one's perfect. I know it. Okay, let's do it again. All right. So, all right, cheese, biscuit, wrap. Like, who wouldn't want to be wrapped in this?
Right?
I ask you. And I think this is kind of like, you can't do this wrong, I don't think. Well, maybe you can, I don't know. Give me another chance, and I'll do it wrong. But, all right, so 90 degrees that way, and then we're going to go 90 degrees this way. Pull, give a little tug. So it's snug as a bug in a rug.
I was just thinking, it's like you're tucking the cheese into a little bacony, biscuity bed.
Night. Bye, cheese. You have a very good life ahead of you. Okay, so now we go over to the boyfriend, Rob, at the Green Egg. So let's head over this way. Ooh. So in the big Green Egg, we have, well, how hot is it, babe?
The oil's between 375 400 right now, so it's a little hotter than it should be.
375 to 400 degrees. All right, and then do I go in for the explosion? No. It will not explode because my boyfriend, that Rob, is on it. OMG.
Oh, wow.
Good night. Wow, that's fantastic. But that good sizzle, like that's what you want too, right? To really sear in the goodness there, get that bacon crispy. But then you also want it in there long enough so that the heat penetrates through, cook the biscuit, and melt the cheese. So it's like we have all three things happening at the same time: cooking crispy bacon, baking that bread, and then also getting the cheese to melt.
Yep.
Without being too much. Cheese. All right. Okay. So
wine.
So we think 2 minutes, darling?
Yeah.
Yeah. 2 minutes. Okay. Cool. Well, I'm thirsty, so let's go back over here. Let's, wipe down the hands. So yes, it's Pillsbury Doughboy biscuits, and I just kind of pulled that all out. So kind of neat. Right, so we just released the 2020 Foxy Pink, and pretty delicious. It's just so bright and so fresh and so fruit forward. Just loved it. I 2 virtual wine tastings in the last few days, and I think this was the hit, the star of the show.
Yeah.
We're just going into rosé season, and okay, let's just start off with, there is no rosé season anymore, really, because rosés go all year long. Certainly they spike in the summertime, but they are great all year long. So, right, I just love the color. It's so bright. It makes me happy just looking at it. It looks like, I don't know, candy floss, or I don't know, something happy from when I was like 8 years old. I'm not sure yet. I was a cute little girl, you know? Or I don't think I was a cute little girl, but anyway, whatever. Oops, look at that. When you lie, you spill wine on yourself. So, anyway, you know what I love about the nose has this cranberry and crabapple type note to it. I like wild strawberries and there's some blueberry notes to it as well. The nose is really quite complex. And Granny Smith apples, because they have lots of malic acid, because it is 95% Riesling with 5% Cabernet Franc added just before bottling. So the Riesling gives you the acidity, the freshness, the brightness, the zippiness, the backbone of the wine. And then the Cabernet Franc gives it the texture and a little bit of tannin, just to add some dimension to the wine. So let's see if that's the case. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Gorgeous. It's just so alive and so fresh, and so it has this like knife edge razor note to it. It's pretty fabulous too. Oh my goodness, sorry. Okay, those look fantastic. Oh my.
Oh wow.
Okay, so let's talk about them. So this is the first one that we did. But you can see how we didn't really wrap it too tightly, and there's a big chunk of cheese in this too. So it looks like it kind of exploded out. So that was attempt number 1. And attempt number 2, where we got like the whole little package thing going. And I'm going to eat one of those ones because I'm guessing this third one, because it's the oil is pretty warm. What do you reckon?
The oil's too hot for that.
A little too hot. Oh, you even see the stick is a little more cooked too. Yeah. So probably like 350 to 370 degrees is probably perfect. You reckon? Yep. I reckon. That's from my Australian days. So, all right. Okay. Here we go. This one has a particular. Okay, what's super cool here? We have the biscuit kind of popped out, and then you've got the bacon. So you got bacon, biscuit, bacon, bacon.
And there's cheese in the middle.
And there's cheese in the middle. Let's see how it goes. We haven't eaten one yet, so just for the record. Oh wow, nailed it. Mm-hmm. Nice and soft and gooey. It's really, really soft. Let me just.
Wow.
It's soft, but I mean, this has been sitting out for what, like at least 10 minutes. Yeah. So if you were a little quicker consuming them, I mean, these are probably nice and juicy. Well, okay, you know what? For the sake of television, or for the sake of, let's go in. Let's check it out.
Oh, that might be really
No,
hot.
I don't think so. I think we're okay. Because we're outside too, right? So.
Oh, we've got a comment that the 2020 Rosé is even better than the 19.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh my. Wow. Mm-hmm. It's really gooey, really soft. Probably, so this is just like compliments. It's not just compliments, but probably the better quality mozzarella, more softness and more gooiness you're going to get with this, right? So, okay, don't combine them because we're going to. Okay, so there's so much fat and oil on my palate now. It's dreamy, because you have the cheese and you have the biscuit and you have the bacon. So you need some acid. Mm-hmm. That the Granny Smith apple note is even higher now.
Yeah.
And it just like cuts through that green apple, and really sings really lengthy. So
what wine is that again, Sue-Ann?
So this is the Fancy Farm Girl Foxy Pink. And for the new people, you have to put the Foxy in Foxy, either through your attitude or your voice or whatever. Because if you don't, there's a $5 fine. And well, I want your $5 because I'm in business, right? But I want to get it the right way and have you spend it on wine as opposed to like things like that. So it is $17.95 a bottle. It is available here at the winery now, and it will be in vintages in I think it's August, middle of August is in vintages. So,
but get it here.
Get it here, and it is in some grocery stores as well. And if it isn't in your favorite grocery store, ask for it by name. Fancy Farm Girl Foxy Pink, $17.95 a bottle for you in your grocery store someday soon. Anyway, thanks everyone. Enjoy the great weekend, and we'll see you on the flip side. Bye.